this is Malina Bercher, your Texas Hill Country luxury realtor today, coming at you live from the heart of Stone Oak in North San Antonio in the beautiful neighborhood of Champions Ridge. You will love it here. There's so many old growth trees. It's an older community, about 25 years old. Homes are on half-acre to about an acre lots. Beautiful. Some have amazing views. You're going to love it. Champions Run and Champions Ridge are sister neighborhoods in the guarded and gated subdivisions in North San Antonio's beautiful Stone Oak. It's the perfect blend of luxury and convenience and these incredible hill country views. It's a bit like a country in the city. Whether you're relocating to San Antonio, looking for your forever home, or simply wanting to enjoy a refined lifestyle, Champions Run and Champions Ridge might be the perfect fit for you. Both of these communities are guarded with 24/7 live guards, providing an extra level of security and peace of mind for you and your family, averaging 1 acre per lot. The custom homes in Champions feature a multitude of different styles. There is no cookie cutter here. Award-winning NEISD schools provide excellent educational opportunities. Here are some of the community stats for Stone Oak in general. It is one of the most sought after neighborhoods in San Antonio. Champions Run and Champions Ridge are home to around 350 residences, each built on larger than average lots, typically between about a half acre to an acre and a half. This offers a sense of space you won't find in many other Stone Oak neighborhoods that are like zero lot line type neighborhoods. The homes themselves are very impressive, with sizes ranging from 3,500 square feet to over 7,000 square feet. As of 2024, the median home valuation in these communities is approximately $1.2 million. With some properties exceeding $2 million, the average price per square foot here is around $250, which represents an incredible value, especially for the size of these lots and the uniqueness of the community in Stone Oak. The community is approximately 25 years old, so many of the homes were built around that time. Some homes are in need of updates, but even with allotting for that expense, you're still gonna come out much lower than buying a lot of this size and building custom these days, and building custom to the same standards that these homes were built 20 to 25 years ago. This lovely home you're looking at now is currently on the market for $1.25 million, with an impressive 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms at almost 5,300 square feet. Residents of Champions Run and Champions Ridge have access to community sports courts, parks, walking trails, and because of the convenient location, world-class amenities are just a few moments away. Just a short drive away, imagine living minutes from San Antonio's finest golf courses, including Canyon Springs, Club at Sonterra, and TPC. You'll also find parks, stables, gyms, and in true Texas fashion, there is a rodeo less than 15 minutes away every Saturday night. You'll find live music, great eateries, and venues. Now, convenience is key, and these communities are ideally situated. You're just minutes from top-rated schools in the highly sought-after NEISD district, as well as a wide array of shopping centers, restaurants, and churches. Whether you're heading to the shops at La Cantera, enjoying a meal at one of Stone Oak's many restaurants, or catching a quick drive out to Hill Country for wine tasting and antiquing, everything you need is within easy reach of Stone Oak and Champions Ridge and Champions Run. And let's not forget the location. You're close to all the conveniences of city living, but just minutes away from peaceful Texas countryside, and you get the best of both worlds here. A place where luxury meets tranquility, an hour drive to Fredericksburg where you can go whining and antiquing. So if you're considering a move to North San Antonio, I would love to show you around and help you find your dream home in Stone Oak, Cross Mountain, Bernie, Green, New Braunfels, Bulverde, or virtually anywhere in northern San Antonio. I would be happy to be your guide. I am Malina Bercher, your Texas Hill Country luxury realtor at your service. So thank you for watching. Be sure to like my video, subscribe to the channel, and better yet, reach out to me today and let's talk about finding your perfect home in Northern San Antonio. Malina Bercher, your Texas Hill Country luxury realtor, 808-217-2700. Until next time, have a beautiful and blessed day.